Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about some angle relationships. So let's talk about angle relationships, and specifically we're going to talk about, in this video, two words: supplementary and complementary. So very quickly, when we talk about supplementary, these mean that two angles, so we're going to say two angles add to 180 degrees. For complementary, we're going to say two angles that add to 90 degrees. So, well, this is supplementary, two angles add up to 180, complementary, two angles add up to 90. The way I tend to remember this is C comes before the letter S in the alphabet. So C comes before S in the alphabet. So 90 degrees comes before 180 degrees. This way you should never get these two confused, hopefully. All right, let's do an example, and we'll use some of this vocab, okay? So an example for complementary is we have something that looks like this, and we have a 90 degree. This little square right here means 90 degrees. We have this going like here, and these angles will usually be labeled. So let's label this, A, B, C, D. So angle ABD plus angle, we'll say CBD equals 90 degrees. Okay, which is also actually angle ABC. All right, but that equals 90 degrees. So if I say that ABD is 55, so let's say that this is 55 degrees. The question is, how many degrees is CBD? So we might even say that this is X degrees. Okay? So we're going to have 55 plus X equals 90. And the question is, can we find out this missing angle? The way I do that is I minus 55 both sides. And I would get that X equals 90 minus 55 is 35. So X equals 35. We'll say degrees. Okay? So what this does for us is this is a way where we can tell angle DBC, how that works. All right, so we have ABD, we have CBD, we know they add up to 90, and we can plug in our numbers and solve for X, which is angle CBD. Okay, so that's how you solve with complementary angles. Let's quickly do one with a supplementary angle. So let's do supplementary angle. That's going to add up to 180, which is going to be a straight line. So we're going to have a straight line like this. And let's do this. I'm going to label this point A. And let's say something comes like here. I'm going to label this X, Y, and Z. Okay? So if I know that angle, XAY plus angle YAZ, I know that these are supplementary because XAZ is a straight line. If you look at this, it's a straight line. So if it's a straight line, it has to be a supplement. So I know that that has to add up to 180 degrees. So you could see something like this. You could see maybe XAY has no numeric value. Let's just say it's 4X. And YAZ is, we'll say 6X. Okay? Can we solve this? Sure. We just plug in our variables into our equation right here. And I can get that 10X equals 180. Divide by 10, divide by 10. I get X equals 18. So I'm doing this, I find X equals 18. I still might want to find out what the angles are. I know that the whole thing is 180. But can I figure out what 6x is to start? Sure, I can do 6 times 18, and I get 60 and 48, and I get 108. So YAZ, that angle, so the angle YAZ is 108 degrees. If I plugged it in here, 4 times 18, I would get 72 degrees. So that means angle XAY is 72 degrees. So hopefully these two examples will help you recognize how we can solve for supplements, how we can solve problems when we use complements.